Chapter 4 Copyright and Related Rights 1 Copyright. After this presentation, students can clarify the general view of copyright, interpret the type of work, compare different forms of work. 1-to-1 Introduction. Copyright law is an integral part of intellectual property that protects the interests of innovators by protecting their established works. The main source of intellectual property protection is national legal standards. Other sources include EU legal standards, bilateral or multilateral agreements that each country adopts among the legal norms of intellectual property, such as 111 Berne Convention and TRIPS Agreement. Berne Convention, 1886. For the protection of literary, artistic, and scientific works, there are three principles of the Berne Convention: national treatment, non-discrimination policy, automatic protection, unity of defense. 1.1.2 Purpose of the copyright law. The purpose of this law is to give authors the right to respect the author, to contribute to the protection of cultural products, phonograms and broadcasts in order to ensure fairness, legitimate business in cultural products, and to contribute to the development of the cultural sector. 1-to-2 Legal notions of works. 1-to-1 Definition of work. Works or products in the fields of literature, science, art, or music, created from ideas created by wisdom or emotion. Article 2. Types of promotional works include author's work, performers, phonogram broadcasting. By broadcasting the works that have been protected are as follows: Article 7 Books for all kinds of other documents on literature, science, art and education. Sangha lecture text, drama, music, dance work, circus and gesture. Music with or without lyrics. Audio-visual work. Works are paintings, sculptures or other works of art. Photography and any work achieved with the same technical assistance as photography. Architectural work. Maps, diagrams are works of art related to geography or science. Computer software and other data handicrafts. Textiles or fashion works that do not receive protection are as follows: Article 10A Constitution, law, royal decree, sub-decree and official regulations. B Proclamation of decisions, certificates and other directives issued by state organizations. C Decisions, judgments or other judgments of the court. Foreign language translation of the text in point A, B, C above. D. Concepts, procedures, systems, operating modes, concepts, principles, discoveries or simple data, whether published, commentary or in any form. 1-2 Other forms of work. Original work. Article 4 Collaboration. Article 6 Derivative work. Article 6 Collective work. Article 6 1-3 Legal notion of the author. 1.3.1 Definition. An author is a person who creates works. Article 2. The title of author is the title of one or more persons who own the work created by the person concerned, and that work is made public. Article 11. 1.3.2 Various forms of writers. Various forms of the author have company author. Article 12 Nickname or anonymous author. Article 14 Author of audio-visual works. Article 1.5.1.4.1 Conditions for obtaining protection of works. Article 3 of the Copyright Law. Works created by Khmer nationals or persons residing in the Kingdom of Cambodia include legal entities and shall be made in accordance with the laws of the Kingdom of Cambodia. Works published for the first time in the Kingdom of Cambodia. Audio-visual work in which the producer is headquartered in the Kingdom of Cambodia. Architectural works built in the Kingdom of Cambodia. Works that the Kingdom of Cambodia has an obligation to protect under international treaties. 1.4.2 Automatic protection. There is no need for a form of protection. Requires automatic protection. Registration can be done voluntarily. Authors have two main rights: economic and moral rights. Economic rights are the following rights: reproduction, public performance, leasing, publication, translation. Editing and creation, moral rights or rights related to permanent rights cannot be changed without statute of limitations. Guardian rights, is to keep the name on the work. Integrity, a right to oppose changes to the content of an article that infringes on one's reputation. 143 Protection period. Copyright does not last forever, the law is limited. The period is the author's lifetime, an additional 50 years after the author's death. In Berne member states and in many other countries, the protection period is at least 50 years. But in the European Union the protection period is 70 years. Copyright protection is for life plus 50 years, Article 30.